Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I review fragrances that are usually on the radar, not many people mention them. They are very good value for money. I think they smell good. You should at least try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have Haramain First Impression, and these are two Haramain perfumes that Haramain sent me for review. As usual, my opinion is my opinion. It's nothing to do with Haramain. They never ask me to do it in a particular way. They haven't seen this video, and they won't basically sway me to say anything unless I know it is correct. Okay, so that's a disclaimer. Today I have two perfumes that they are both 50th anniversary perfumes from Haramain, and these two are Rose Oud 50th anniversary and Platinum Oud 50th anniversary. These two just came out about 3-4 weeks ago. They are brand new. Nobody else, as far as I know, reviewed them. So I am the first, and I am excited for that. So let's start with Rose Oud first. Okay, so as you can see, the box, as always, the presentation for Haramain, always top notch. For what you pay, you're always getting a fantastic presentation. Let's open it. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do much about it. Okay, look at this gorgeous pink all around. It sees like a velvet feel and is embossed, and the attention to details is everywhere. Very good presentation as always with Haramain. Let's open the box. Pink everywhere. So that is suggesting that this one is going to be quite feminine, but Rose Oud, these two are both unisex anyway, but Rose Ouds are sometimes on the feminine side, sometimes not, and sometimes unisex. So as you can see, the presentation is beautiful. Look at that, gorgeous presentation as always. This is like a case. It's a plastic case, but it looks good. It says Haramain on it everywhere, 50th anniversary. It opens up and the bottle comes out. So the bottle is very cute, very pretty, and it's a rose gold effect everywhere. It's a very heavy bottle. It's a metal with glass combination. The cap is super heavy, is again metal, and let's see the atomizer. Atomizer is perfect. So with Haramain, you always get a good presentation, very good bottling, and everything is top notch. Attention to details is everywhere, and it's filling the room. Oh dear. All right, so I can smell it very strongly. Wow. Okay, so let's see. Rose Oud 50th anniversary. Wow, gorgeous. So the first thing it hits you is the oud, and the oud in here is a little bit on the medicinal side. Okay, so it's a medicinal oud plus the rose. So oud comes first, at least in the beginning for the first impression. The oud comes out first, and then behind it is the rose. I can smell something like a leathery feel to it as well. Maybe that's a combination of eau de code and the rose. It gives it that leathery feel. Wow, but it's super strong. It is full-bodied. It's Eau de Perfume, and with Haramain, I've been a big fan of Haramain for many years. Before they started to send me these fragrances to review, I was a big fan. I was buying their fragrances anyway, and I always highly recommended them. And in this particular instance, no exception. Beautiful presentation, beautiful smell. Yeah, and it's very smooth. Right now it's quite smooth. As I said, the oud is quite medicinal. It's not animalic, but it's medicinal. A little bit of earthiness. It's woody. And the rose at the moment is in the background, so the development might happen later, but at the moment mainly the oud is present here. But it's gorgeous. So it's got a leathery feel, little bit of earthiness, woody, definitely woody feel. It's not animalic by any means. It's earthy, but it's not animalic. It's not barnyardy. It's quite a safe oud, let's put it that way. But it is a little bit on the leathery side, so if you don't like that kind of medicinal leathery oud, this might put you off. But for for the first impression, wow, gorgeous. To my nose, it's not feminine at all. This is bang in the middle again, 50-50. Men and women can wear this. In terms of age, I would say it's a little bit on the mature side, maybe 25 and up to be on the safe side, because that combination of oud and rose is quite on the mature side most of the time anyway. But for the first impression, wow, and it's strong and it's full bodied and it's quite thick. So for the first impression, I absolutely adore this. Beautiful presentation, beautiful smell, and the opening doesn't disappoint whatsoever. But as I said, at the moment it's a little bit on the medicinal and leathery side. So I'll make another video update in a few days time, and I will tell you about the development, its change, the performance, and all good things. Okay guys, for first impression, very good. I'll leave in the description where you can find this Al Haramain website. At the moment you can't find them anywhere else. You can only find them on Al Haramain website. These ones are retail for £150, but the quality, mamma mia, it's 100 ml EDP. Right now the quality is surpassing that £150 by double that easy. Okay, so let's go for the next one. The next one is the Platinum. Okay, so this one is here. Okay, so the Platinum is exactly the same box, 50 years anniversary, Al Haramain Platinum Oud, and as you can see, identical to the first one, but this one is blue and silver. That one was pink and rose gold. Sorry about the noise again. And the presentation is gorgeous. Again, it's the velvet finish and embossed everywhere. Al Haramain 50 years anniversary. The attention to details is everywhere. Very good. And let's see. So again, identical to the first one. It comes in this housing, which is beautiful, very elegant and artistic, Middle Eastern art, Islamic, Arabic art. It looks like a dome. It's beautiful. And then you open this dome and you get the perfume bottle, which in this case, because it says platinum, obviously silver platinum color. And as you can see, again, gorgeous presentation, heavy bottle, combination of metal and glass, mixing it quite heavy, very heavy, and the cap is very heavy. It says Al Haramain 50 years anniversary. And let's see the atomizer. Very good atomizer, fantastic. Al Haramain always the Atomizers are fantastic in terms of presentation, as I said. Okay, so let's see what's this all about. First impression for Al Haramain 50th anniversary platinum oud. Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. So the first one was a combination of rose oud, but at the moment, as I said, it's mainly oud, mainly leathery. And this one is almost complete departure because I can't smell oud in the beginning at all. Oh, wow. Okay, all I can smell right now is sweet, vanilla-like, some fruitiness, fruity, sweet, floral. Wow, gorgeous. This one is so pretty. So the first one, the rose oud, the oud was from the beginning. This one, the oud is not there in the beginning, so I'm assuming the development later will come up with the oud, but in the beginning, wow, what is that? It smells something like angelica, like little bit of licorice, yeah, so it's fruity, little bit of licorice, vanilla, sweet, floral, fruity. The fruit is, wow, what kind of fruit is this? It's beautiful, but I will let you know in the update about the note breakdown and what I smell exactly. But right now, wow, the opening is amazing. So if you like that combination of licorice, angelica, vanilla and fruity floral scent, this is unbelievable. And it's just smooth and well blended. Nothing is jumping out right now. It's very balanced. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. But as I said, the oud at the moment is in the background. I can't smell that much oud, but I can feel a little bit of basically earthiness, little bit, tiny bit, and tiny bit of woodiness, but no oud right now. Gorgeous, 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 beautiful. So this is the first impression for these two beautiful fragrances from Al Haramain. I will let you know in next few days the update, how they perform, they change, and all these good things. Right now I'm very, very impressed with both of them. Fantastic smell, quality top notch, presentation as always amazing, attention to details everywhere. In terms of perfumery, they are the highest perfumery you can get, especially for this amount of money, and I am very, very impressed. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching. If you know these, if you have them, if you try them, if you have any question, put it down there. If you like this video, if you find it useful, informative or entertaining, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you later guys. Thank you, bye bye bye.